everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I decided to embark on something slightly different from the usual kind of content around here. So I realized prom season is upon us, and even though it was a long time ago, let's put it that way, that I went to prom myself, I remember the struggle as somebody without very much money it was to actually like go to prom. And now looking back on it, I barely remember prom. And I kind of regret some of the choices I did make went for prom. But even then, I was trying to be thrifty. So I've decided to come on and do a quick series about how you can DIY prom. So this is what we're going to do with this video. Is going to be not this video. I'm splitting this DIY prom into several different sections. That's what I'm trying to say. I'm splitting this up into several sections. So there's going to be a section on dresses, there's going to be a section on makeup, and I'm going to do something quick about here. I currently have these braids in, so I'll just do a couple ideas that you can do with the braids because I'm not taking them out for a video. So because you can still be elegant with braids, don't believe the hype. So if you really want to be able to follow this series, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like, and turn on that notification bell so that you can know when I upload for this series.